Hi everybody. Here today we have to discuss about Indian system of numeration. Here it is a continuation chapter of the knowing our numbers. Already we discussed in the first video part comparing numbers, formation of numbers and shifting digits. Today here we are discussing about Indian system of numeration. See, already you have discussed in your previous classes about Indian system of numeration. Just once again you recall that here, see, the Indian system of numeration, the place value table. Here the place value table just I divide into two parts. One is periods, second one places. See, in the periods column, units, thousands, lakhs, crores. It is what? Periods. Again, in the places, these units again further divided, thousands also further divided, here lakhs also and crores also. Now we go to the places. See, the periods units, it is divided into ones, tens, yes, hundreds. Here thousands, it is again further divided into thousands and 10,000s. Here lakhs and 10 lakhs. Here lakhs is again divided into what? Here lakhs and yes 10 lakhs. Crore, here crores and 10 crores. See, just I clarify in the Indian system of numeration, these place value table, it is in two parts. One part is periods, second part is places. Here see the periods, units, thousands, lakhs, crores. Here again these are all further divided like this. Here just I take a number, this one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there. Here, how can you put in the place value table? Here a number is given. How can you put this number in this table? See, while putting the given digits here in this number, here this number, now you are writing in this place value table. See, how can you write? See here, first you write the, yes, from right side. See, from right to left you can write in the place value table. See, first one is what? Yes, 9. You write in one's place. Next, 8. The next one, 3. Your next one, 7. The next, 4. Next, 0, 8, 5, 9. Yes. Just the given number you are write in the place value table. See, how can you read? One thing. Second one, how can you put a comma? That is important. Here, according to Indian system of numeration, the putting comma. See, it's very simple. See here, periods. See, periods first column, units. Here it is again further divided into 3 parts. See, that's why after 3 digits from right to left, put a comma. 1, 2, 3. See, comma. Again, here the period is thousands. Here it is again further divided into, yes, 2 parts. That is thousands, 10,000. It means you put a comma after 2 digits from right to left. Here 1, 2. Just put a comma. Again, next period is here lakhs. Lakhs is again further divided into, yes, lakhs, 10 lakhs. It means after here 2 digits 1, 2. Here also the last again further divided into crores, 10 lakhs. It means after 2 digits means here 1, 2. Here there is no digits. It is not need to put a comma. Here, how can you read? How can you read? See, it is a crore, lakhs, thousands, yes, units. Very simple. 95 crore, 80 lakh, 47,389. See, name the given number. Very simple. This one you can write. See, 95, yes, crore, 80 lakh, 47,389. It's very simple. One more example. Just I wrote here and just I putting in the place value table. Just to take here 70 lakh, or just I don't put, just I write the digits first. Yes. See, now you put these digits in a place value table. Already I told why putting the given number in the place value table. Start from right to left. Here also. See, 7, yes, 3, 4, 3, 6, 0, and 7. Now see the periods. Here units, 3 digit. That's why after 3 digit put a comma. Next thousands. Here thousands, 10,000s. Here after 2 digit. Next already 2 digits. It's enough. Now how can you read? See, these 2 digits are in the lakhs. See here lakhs. The period is lakhs. 70. It is a group. Here 6-3 in the thousands period, and 4-3-7 in the yes units period. It means according to that just I put a comma. See, now the reading 70 lakh 63,437. It is name in the international system of numeration. Here there are 4 periods. See, those periods are different from Indian system of numeration. How they are, sir? See here, units, thousands, millions. Here what happened in the Indian system of numeration? After thousand, lakhs. After lakhs, yes, crores. But here something is different. See, after thousands, millions. After millions, billions. Yes, in these 4 periods, again they are further divided into, see, year 3, year 3, 3, 3. It is totally different from the Indian system of numeration. See here, now we are discussing about international system of numeration. See here, units, periods, they are divided into ones, tens, hundreds. Again thousands, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Here millions, millions. It is again further divided into million, 10 million, 100 million. After million period, here billions. Here the billions. This period again further divided into 3 parts. That is billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. See here. Now just I take these digits. Now just I write in the international system of numeration table. See here also, just you write from here, just you write from, or you are putting from right to left, right to left column. See what is there here? 4. Just you write 4. Again 7. Here 2, 1, 9, 8, 9, 7, 0, 3, 6, 5. See, It is the international system of numeration. It's something different. Yes. Here what happened? After thousands, there is no lakhs. After thousands, millions. And one thing, in the Indian system, what happened? Thousands period is divided into just two parts. That is 1000, 10,000. But here, thousands place value. Here it is a 3 again divided into 3 parts. Here 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After 1000 periods, it is a millions. See, every period is equally. Here it is further divided into 3 equal parts. Here ones, tens, hundreds. 3 thousands, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions, yeah, millions, 10 million, 100 million, billions, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. See the next concept, how you put the commas. In an Indian system, first units, next two digits, thousands, next after 2 digits, that is the lakhs, again last here, that is what, crore. But here it is something different. See, while putting a comma, just see the periods. What is here? Units. How many? 1, 2, 3. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Comma. See next, thousands. 1, 2, 3. Here, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, millions. 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. Next, billions is there. Just 1, 2, 3. It is not need to put a comma. Here, it is a system of putting a comma. Okay, so how can you name it? It is quite different. See, totally 1, 2, 3, 4 periods. Here also see 1, 2, 3, 4 periods. Here from left, the first period, billion. It means, read it is 563 billion. 563 billion. 79 million. 891,274. Is it easy? Yeah, it is very simple. See, just once again I read this one. See, it is a, yes, it is a billion period. It is million period. It is, yes, thousand period. It is units period. It is what? Units period. How can you read? 563 billion, 79 million, 891,274. See, I take one more example. See, now just you write in the columns. First one here 5, 8, 5, 4, 7, 0, 4, 5. See here in the millions column it is and. See, for every 3 digit, after every 3 digit, you should put a comma. You should remember that concept. In the international system of numeration, for after every 3 digit, see 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 1, 2, 3, here put a comma. That's all. See, the first period is what? Units. Second period it is what? Yes, thousand. Here the next period is what? Million. Since just after comma, two digits are there. How can you read? Just 54 million, 74,585. See, it is about international system of numeration. See, already we are discussed comparing numbers, formation of numbers, and shifting the digits, and here that is the Indian system of numeration. Now it is international system of numeration. By all about this concept, What did you learn now? Here, by the help of this concept, we will solve some problems. In the exercise 1.1, first main fill in the blanks. Here in that, the problems are like this. 1 lakh equals dash 10,000. 1 crore equals dash million. 1 million equals dash lakh. See, I wrote here both place value table. That is here, this one is the International System of Numeration. This is, yes, it is a Indian system of numeration. With the help of this column, with the help of this table, you can easily identify the answer. See the question. 1 lakh is equals dash 10,000. See here, 1 lakh means here what? Here lakh. 1 lakh is nothing but it is Indian system. See, go to the Indian system. Here it is a lakh. 1 lakh equals dash 10,000. Here the lakh column. Go here. It is 100,000. How much? 100,000. Already 10,000 is there. 1 lakh equals dash 10,000 means 10 tens are, yes, 10,000. 10,000. 1 lakh means 10,000. Next question. 1 crore equals dash million. See, go here. Crore. Here what is that? Yes, 10 million. Very simple. 10 million. Last one. 1 million. First, give in the international system. 1 million. Go here. Here. Million means 1 million. 1 million means dash lakh. Million. Yes, you can tell 10 lakh. 10 lakh. It is the first main. Fill in the blanks. Next main. Next question. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. See the given question in the Indian system of numeration. See, the given digits are like this. Here in the question, here two parts, we make it two parts. That is first, insert commas suitably. It is a one part. Second, write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Here, according to Indian system of numeration means you put a comma also according to Indian system of numeration. See, it is the given problem. See, already I told that in the place value table of Indian system of numeration, first, yes, first period, units, second period, thousands, next period, yes, that is a lakh and crore. Here in the Indian system of numeration, from right digit, first group 3 digit, next every 2 digit. Should remember that. See, first 3 digit, next 1 2 digit, next 1 2. That's all. Now already you put a comma, and next concept, write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Very simple. See, it is what? Units. Yes, thousands. It is lakhs. Here it is crore. Just here 8 crore 75 lakh 75 lakh. Next 95,000. 95,000. Last unit 762. 762. It is the solution. It's very simple. Here maybe a for 2 mark question will be asked. Same question. Here they will give two numbers or maybe one number. Here just to clarify, first what you do, put a commas according to Indian system. Later you can write the names. It is the answer. Okay. Now one more example for the same problem. I hope you understand this one. It's very simple. The next one. See, same main problem, but I will take another example. See, just take as a B. Like this. Now, insert a commas suitably. Here, 1, 2, 3. Next, for every 2 digit. That's all. Now, it is a units, thousands, lakhs only. That's why 94 lakh. 94 lakh 43,000. 43,701. 701. It is there. The exercise 1.1. In the exercise 1.1, the next problem. Okay, I hope you understand. The next problem is insert commas suitably and write the names according to international system of numeration. Just one word is changed, that is Indian system into international system of numeration. Okay, see, the given digits are these. Already I told that according to international system of numeration, putting a comma, it is for every three digits. See, 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. One thing, first is units, thousands, not lakhs. We are millions group. So now write the names according to international system of numeration. Okay. It is what? Once again, units group, thousands group, million group. Here 78 million 621,000 600 yes 21 621,000 82. It is the solution. See, very simple. For every 3 digits, you should put a comma from right to left. Remember, from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Putting comma. 1, 2, 3. Here comma. That's all. Units group, thousands group, million group. 78,621,082. It is what? It is the according to international system of numeration. Here one more example for this problem only. One more example. See the next one. See, here some more digits are given. First step is what? Putting a commas. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next 3 digits are there. See here. It is what? Units group. It is thousands group. It is yes millions group. See, now you write the answer. That is 480 million. 471,683. So right now 480 million 471 683. 683. Here, see the problem? What you do? Just put a comma for every 3 digit from right side to left side. Here, after that, it is a unit group, thousand group, million group. See, now you write that according to International System of Numeration. Just read once again. Here, 480 million, 471,683. See, it is about exercise 1.1. Here, now it's over. In the next concept, we will discuss in the next video. Bye.